Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital से I am going to do a quick stenting. Infibol heart attack जो होता है infibol MI, उसके अंदर कई बार right coronary artery mostly बंद होती है. And this patient we found that right coronary artery was occluded. We will show you the cases. I am going to show you the last part of this procedure with a live case, and we will record this video and then we will show. So we already done. वो पास चलेगा बेटा वहाँ पे. We already done. यहाँ दिखाओ जरा. This is the system. जिससे हम लोग एंजियोप्लास्टी करते हैं. ये कैथेटर गाइड कैथेटर है. देखो 2 femoral sheath. This is guide catheter, nursing staff, the technician, and these are the important part of this angioplasty procedure. So this is the guide wire. We have already done the guiding catheter, and here you can see that the temporary pacemaker is there, and we have done a crossing of the lesion. Dekho first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dekha jodi se. We found that the lady was normal, slowly 100% right coronary artery blockage. Okay, we did a temporary pacemaker support, and now we have crossed with the wire slowly. Wire is crossed already. Then we did a thrombosuction. The point which is showing, the thrombosuction catheter is there, and we are pulling out. And you can see we have removed a small part of the clot here. The clot is already removed. The clot निकाला हमने, छोटा से 2 थे. These are more than enough to block the artery. And then we have done a next view. We have done the balloon and stent in the distal part. वो दिखाओ. There was a stenosis. देखा ना? Stenosis. उधर वाले भी देखो. There was a stenosis in the distal part of RCA. So we already put a stent. And now the final shot दिखा दो. Show the final shot. Final means after the stent. The result is very good. Give me stent.
3-15
इसके बाद वाला.
इसके बाद वाला कुछ नहीं. 3-15.
अच्छा ठीक है. इसके बाद मैं शॉट देता हूँ. Now I'll show you the final picture of the first stent. Yes, the artery is good. Very good artery. 100% artery जो थी पूरी खुल गई है. ऊपर की आती ना 3-15. अब ऊपर की आर्टरी में हम एक स्टेंट लगाएंगे जो 90% ब्लॉकेज है. And that was the cause of this. You can see the stent quickly. This is the stent. ये स्टेंट होता है जो छोटा सा होता है, बैलून के ऊपर पुरोया होता है. एंड देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वायर, इस वायर से हम लोग स्टेंट को अंदर ले जाएंगे और देन वी विल डिप्लॉय दैट स्टेंट. उस मेरी शक्ल दिखाओ. विल डिप्लॉय दैट स्टेंट इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्लॉकेज जो कि था. दिस आर्टरी हैड 2 स्टेनोसिस. 100% आर्टरी ब्लॉक थी, लेकिन आगे जब खुलने के बाद पता लगा कि देयर इज स्टेनोसिस इन द डिस्टल पार्ट वेयर वी ऑलरेडी पुट स्टेंट. अब हम देखिए वहां पे जा रहे हैं. यू कैन सी द स्टेंट इज गोइंग. द स्टेंट विल कम. नाउ वी विल डिप्लॉय द स्टेंट हियर एंड वी विल जस्ट चेक इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाई. प्रॉपर पोजिशनिंग. डाई बदली क्या अभी? डाई बदली है. It's perfectly placed, and now we will go up. Because show this video. This is how the pressure is going up. We will take it to 12 to 14 atmosphere, and you can see the balloon going up. This is balloon how it is going, and this is 14 atmosphere, and the pressure is fine. The patient pressure, we keep on checking the pressure of the patient while the stent is up, and then for 20 seconds we will keep it. So angioplasty is a procedure where we do a wiring. 100% artery was occluded in this case with the help of anesthesia support and technical support and nursing support. Then we put a wire, and then we have done a balloon, and then we are taking off the balloon now. The stent is now deployed. We will take it out the balloon, and then we take the boost. Boost is ready. The stent is deployed very well, and now we will remove the balloon. So then you can show the balloon is being removed. The balloon is being removed, and show my hand. So balloon is coming down. Just this is how the balloon is being removed. Wire is still there, and this is the balloon. You can see the balloon which was having the stent which come out, but stent is there. The stent is inside the coronary artery. So now we'll take a final picture and perfectly placed result, and we'll take it without wire now. We're removing the wire. You can see the wire is being removed. The wire is removed, and now we'll take a quick look at it. This will be used for the next patient. So we will give Nicorandil. This will be used for the next patient. We'll give Nicorandil And Nicorand actually is a vasodilator. This helps in giving a better perfusion inside the coronary artery and gives a good flow, and that is why the myocardium which is injured, or rather which has been, so this is the Nicorandil which we are giving, and so this is a very complex but simple technique if you know it well, because these are reflexes. My hands are working as a reflex, so we know this is die, and now we will just inject this slowly, and then you can see the final shots. So this is how the artery has been very good. Any other view? Huh? Double zoom kar do. Last injection of the dye to see the perfection of the result, and this is good. So show my face now. So this is a procedure of angioplasty assisted by our nursing staff, Dr. Vikas, NSS, and technician Dr. Lalit, and Komal, who is the most intelligent person, but she stays behind, and Dr. Dr. Neha, who is doing the radial anesthesia. So I'm very happy to have done this. Now we're removing everything. The tube is removed. Patient is all right. वो हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेंगे. हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेंगे भी. आपका हो गया ऑपरेशन, बढ़िया हो गया. So we have done. This is our cath lab. The nursing staff and everybody. And Dr. Tomar requires a lot of, I would say, thanks, because he helps in giving all these things. Thank you so much, Dr. Vivek Gupta from Apollo, on 26 August 2025. Done a good angioplasty with the help of the team. 100% artery, right coronary artery blocked. उसमें हमने वायर डाला, थ्रोम्बस निकाला, थ्रोम्बोसक्शन किया, टेम्पररी पेसमेकर असिस्टेंट से बलून किया, नीचे एक स्टेंट लगाया, ऊपर एक स्टेंट लगाया, मतलब डिस्टल पार्ट आरसीए में, प्रॉक्सिमल पार्ट आरसीए में, फिर करके निकोरेंजल करके सब ठीक हो गया. पेशेंट इज ऑल राइट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.